Stupid strawberry. Always goofing off. Why do they do that? It's not fair. And they all get love from stupid blanket or cacti.
Hello, my short friend. How are you doing on this fine evening?
I guess I'm doing good. Blanket scared me again. I wasn't able to speak for a couple of hours. What about you? What are you doing?
Comfort.
Right.
Well. My little game cards.
Who are you?
Toasty, you're competing for Sonic colors.
What's the first challenge?
Catch 5 birds using paper airplanes. Strawberry wins. They get a stamp.
Awesome!